Hi, the SI meteorologist Paul Dorian here on Monday, May 7th. Well, it looks like the potential exists for a soaking rain event here in the Mid-Atlantic region, probably later Wednesday into early Thursday. A cold front will slowly work its way to the East Coast by Wednesday, and then it'll stall there and allow a storm to ride up the coast, giving us the soaking rain event later Wednesday into Thursday. That storm finally passes on by late Thursday, and that paves the way for some nicer weather for Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Let's take a look at the latest surface map. First of all, we kind of have a trio of high pressure systems here in the northeastern quadrant, still giving us some dry conditions. It should stay mostly dry, if not completely dry for the day, although it'll be mostly cloudy. Clouds are starting already to roll in from this storm system out over the Midwest, and that storm has a cold front that extends all the way down into Texas, and this cold front really plays a key role in the midweek soaking rain event for the Mid-Atlantic region. It works its way to the East Coast, and by about the middle part of the week, Wednesday, it'll line up right along the East Coast, and a storm system in the southeast will develop and ride right up along this coastal front, and that'll pave the way for some soaking rain probably Wednesday afternoon, Wednesday night into early Thursday. Here's a current IR satellite loop from the SSEC Wisconsin website. Some clouds already rolling into the Mid-Atlantic region. There's a real thick deck of clouds here over the Midwest, and this is where that storm system is already producing quite a bit of rainfall, and the frontal system extends all the way down into Texas. Some strong thunderstorms embedded along this frontal system as well. It slowly works its way to the East Coast, and by about Wednesday will be situated right along the East Coast in a north-south position, and that'll allow for a coastal storm to develop and ride right along that frontal system, giving us some soaking rain later Wednesday into early Thursday. As far as rainfall is concerned for this afternoon, most of the day should be dry, although you cannot rule out the possibility of a little bit of light rain late in the mid to late afternoon hours. There's already some light shower activity here upstate Pennsylvania, northwestern Pennsylvania, and it is dropping to the southeast. Expect mostly cloudy skies with a little bit of light rain possible in the middle or latter part of the afternoon. And there can be a shower or a thunderstorm tonight and tomorrow as well, and tomorrow night. But the heaviest soaking rain looks like it'll hold off until Wednesday, probably Wednesday afternoon into early Thursday. Let's examine last night's GFS Global Forecast System computer forecast run. This is from the 0Z run last night. And we'll look at Tuesday morning, Wednesday morning, and Thursday morning just to see the evolution of that coastal storm. This is tomorrow morning. By this time, the frontal system is moving along slowly, but moving along in the Ohio Valley at this time. Again, there can be a shower or thunderstorm here in the Mid-Atlantic region, really at any time from tonight through tomorrow night. But I don't expect anything too heavy through tomorrow night. The heaviest precipitation looks like it'll hold off until later on Wednesday when this front finally reaches the East Coast, and that will allow for a coastal storm to ride up along it during the latter part of Wednesday into early Thursday. Here's a computer forecast map for Wednesday morning. By this time, the front now is starting to line up right along the coast. Still not a heck of a lot of precipitation. Again, there can be a shower or a thunderstorm just about any time tomorrow night into early part of Wednesday, but by later part of Wednesday we'll see on the next map a coastal storm develops, and that'll enhance the rainfall for Wednesday afternoon, Wednesday night into early Thursday. Here's the GFS forecast map for Thursday morning. By this time the coastal storm has already passed us by for the most part here in the Mid-Atlantic region. It develops in the southeast and rides right up along that front and gives us a soaking rain later Wednesday into early Thursday. By late in the day Thursday, some sunshine can return to the Mid-Atlantic region. Thursday will be kind of a transition day from the soaking rain just before to what looks like pretty nice weather, perhaps somewhat on the cool side for Friday, and that nicer weather should continue into the weekend as high pressure from the middle part of the country follows this midweek storm and clears us out for the late part of the week and the upcoming weekend. Well, that's it for now. For the SIweather.com, I'm the SI meteorologist, Paul Dorian.